Hi students, welcome back to science class. I am teaching you about measurements in your science subject. In my previous class, I taught you about what is measurement, physical quantity, and two types of physical quantity. One is fundamental quantity and the next one is derived quantity. I hope you guys would have understood. In today's class, I am going to help you to solve the problems. Problem solving. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம sums போட போறோம். The problems which is given in your book, Miss is going to help you to solve the problems. உங்களுக்கு explain பண்றேன். Listen carefully, okay? Before doing the sums, before doing the problems, you have to know the formulas. Mathematical formulas எல்லாருக்கும் நல்லா தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். So you have to study maths subject also very well to study the science subject. என்ன மிஸ் சயின்ஸ் சப்ஜெக்ட்ல மேக்ஸ் எடுக்கிறாங்க, மேக்ஸ் ஃபார்முலா சொல்றாங்களே நினைக்கக்கூடாது. Maths is a very common subject which deals with all the things around the world. கம்ப்யூட்டர்ல எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்கனாலும் மேக்ஸ், சயின்ஸ்ல எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்கனாலும் மேக்ஸ், எந்த ஃபினான்ஸ், எந்த ஃபீல்டு எடுத்தாலும் மேக்ஸ் இல்லாம எந்த ஜாபோ எந்த ஃபீல்டுமே கிடையாது. So you have to study maths properly. Okay children? Let's see here. These are the basic formulas to find out the areas. So to find out the areas of a particular shape, you have to know the formula. This table helps you to know the area of the shapes. ஒருத்தோட ஏரியா என்னன்னு இந்த ஃபார்முலாஸ் இந்த டேபிள் வந்து நீங்கள் படிச்சுக்கலாம். ஏரியா ஆஃப் அ ஸ்கொயர், சைடு இன்டு சைடு, ஏ ஸ்கொயர். ஏரியா ஆஃப் அ ரெக்டாங்கிள், லெங்த் இன்டு பிரெத். ஏரியா ஆஃப் அ சர்க்கிள், பை ஆர் ஸ்கொயர். ஏரியா ஆஃப் அ ட்ரையாங்கிள், ஆஃப் பிஹெச். See here, I have written the same. Area of a square, side into side, a into a square. This is the formula. You have to keep this in mind. Okay children? Second one, rectangle. Area of a rectangle, length into breadth, L into B. Area of a circle, pi into radius. Radius la da or circle measure பண்ணுவோம். So pi r square. The last one, area of a triangle, half into base into height, of BH. So this formula you have to memorize and you have to keep it in mind. Let's go into the problem. Let's do the problem. This is the first problem given in your book. See the question. What is the area of a 10 squares each of side of 1 meter? Let me repeat the question again. What is the area of a 10 squares each of side of 1 meter? எப்பவுமே question you have to understand. நல்லா திருப்பி படிச்சு கொஸ்டினை முதல்ல புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. The question is about area of a 10 squares. 10 ஸ்கொயரோட ஏரியா என்ன, அதனோட ஒரு சைடு கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. ஓகே children? So the question is about finding the area of 10 squares. Area of 10 squares என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So ஒரு ஸ்கொயரோட ஒரு சைடு is 1 meter. This is more than enough. இதை வச்சு ஈஸியாக கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். ஓகே, let me explain you. First, area of a square. ஒரு ஸ்கொயரோட ஏரியா கண்டுபிடிச்சிடுங்க. After finding out the area of one square, then multiply it with 10 so that you will get the answer for 10 squares. Okay, first step நீங்க செய்ய வேண்டியது find out the area of a square. ஒரு ஸ்கொயரோட ஏரியா என்னன்னு you find it out first. So what's the formula for area of a square? Very good. Side into side, a into a. What is one side measurement? 1 meter. 1 meter into 1 meter. 1 into 1 meter square. So this is the answer for 1 square. Area of a 1 square. One square order area is 1 meter. But we have to find answer for 10 squares. So the second step now. Area of 10 squares. So one square order area is 1 meter square into 10 squares கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் இல்லையா, into 10. So 1 into 10 meter square. This is the answer. You have to write the answer value along with the unit. So this is what very important in science. Mathsல நம்ம வேல்யூ மட்டும் எழுதுவோம், but in measurement you have to write the units also. This is very important. இதுவும் சேர்த்து எழுதுனா தான் மார்க் கொடுப்பாங்க. So area of 10 square is 10 meter square. Okay children, I'll explain you once again. What is the area of 10 squares each of side 1 meter? Area of a square formula you have to write first, side into side. One side is 1 meter, so 1 meter into 1 meter, 1 meter square. Next step you have to find out the area for 10 squares. So area of 10 square, 1 square meter into 10 10 square meter. That's what Miss has written in the board. Okay. Next, see the second example. The second problem is about, see the question. Find the area of the following regular shaped figures. Find the area of the following. So, the மூணுத்துக்கும் area of the following. We have to find the area. Number 1, area of a rectangle கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Number 2, area of a circle. Number 3, area of the triangle. Okay, let's see the first question. A rectangle whose length is 12 m and breadth is 4 m. We have to find out the area of the rectangle. So, what's the formula for area of a rectangle? L into B. Question le already they have given L kenna value, B kenna value nu kuduthanga. Length is 12 meter, breadth is 4 meter. Just you have to apply it in the formula. That's it. L into B, 12 into 4m, 48 meter square. This is the answer. Meter square is the unit for area. So, eppola area kandupidikanomo, that time you have to use meter square. In previous class, Miss has taught you the table, right? Derived quantity table. Area ku quantity is meter square, volume ku meter cube. So, whatever the calculation we are doing, you have to put that particular derived quantity. Area kandupidicha area oda quantity, unit, volume na volume oda quantity, you have to analyze and put. Okay. The next one, find the area of a circle. Area of a circle whose radius is 7 meter. Easy. Radius 7 meter na they have already given in the question. Now you have to put it in the formula. Area of a circle is pi r square. Pi value is 22 by 7. This you have to keep it in your mind, children. The pi value is 22 by 7. Eppo pi value nalum 22 by 7 rather you have to memorize it. Okay, let's see the problem. Pi is 22 by 7. R value they have already given 7 meter. So 7 meter into 7 meter. Just cancel 1 7. 22 into 7, 154 meter square. Area of a unit, meter square. So this is the answer for circle. The last one, area of a triangle. Already they have given for values for base and height, B value and H value. You have to just put it in the, apply it in the formula. Area of a triangle is half BH. So half into B value is 6. H value is 8. Cancel for 3. 8 3s are 24 meter square. Meter square is for area. That's it. This is the formula. So this is what I've explained you with the board. So children, now it's your turn. You have to work out the problem on your own. Watch my video fully. Problems miss every work out pannirken paathuட்டு you take the question and you do test at home. நீங்களே work பண்ணி test எழுதி எனக்கு அனுப்புங்க. Okay children, in next class I'll teach you about volume of the different shaped objects. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the class and I hope it's useful for you. Thank you. All the best.